Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and as we are about to actually have suggestions and videos for the next version of Windows, Windows 12, we learned something new today, that a codename is now available for Windows 12. This is something that we were waiting for, a little more hints as to what Windows 12 will be all about. Well, here we go. It's going to be called Hudson Valley. So if you guys remember in Windows 10, when Windows 11 was still not a thing, we started talking about Sun Valley. Sun Valley was what you see here with the new interface, the new start menu, and so on. This was, at first, what we thought would be Windows 10 redesign called Sun Valley. And the thing is, Sun Valley also came partly from the famous Windows 10X that was completely scrapped. And so it's kind of a merge of Windows 10X, what it would have been, and with Windows 10 in general, but called, of course, Windows 11, as we all know now. Windows 11 was announced, and it surprised everybody. Then we had Sun Valley 2, which is 22H2, and so on. We know that there's Sun Valley 3. This is a 23H2 for Windows 11, but now the new code name is Hudson Valley, and that refers to Windows 12. So we have a code name. We're getting a little closer. When code name is now announced, that means that they're working on Windows 12 definitely internally at Microsoft. We also learned a little something about the minimum requirements. We don't know a lot about, but there's one that kind of popped up in several documents apparently with Hudson Valley. And right now, if you're on Windows 11, the minimum RAM that you can use is for the minimum requirement for memory, RAM memory, is 4 gigabytes. Well, it would seem that Hudson Valley or Windows 12 will up the minimum requirements to 8 gigabytes. So that's going to be interesting. Now, if we take into account that when you use Rufus, you can actually bypass the 4 gigabytes on Windows 11, maybe that will also be possible on Windows 12. We know that it will incorporate AI, or artificial intelligence features, including the famous Copilot. And one of the other things that now is starting to be mentioned a little more is maybe it could be the first Windows version offered to consumers also as a cloud version with subscription. So that would be the standard Windows 12. It will be there for everybody with the install that you can do. But it would be the first serious Windows operating system that would be offered as a cloud system for consumers. Because right now it exists. Windows Cloud does exist. Windows 11 and 10 are in cloud versions for business. But now it would be offered also for consumers. So they're going to be testing that with maybe Windows 12. So this is the new information we have today about what's coming in the second half of next year. So this is going to be quite interesting to continue seeing these little hints here and there about Hudson Valley, or what we think is going to be called Windows 12. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.